Welcome to Getembe Electricals. Today I'm going to show you how to finalize your wiring for solar and electricity, and how we install hybrid solar system. That is, now this is our solar. We installed 3100 watts panels in this house, and now this is the solar. We have circuit breakers, that is a changeover switch. We have a regulator, a controller. This is a inverter here. Installing hybrid solar in this room, and it can also be automatic. So we have two huge batteries of 200 Ah. And now, since this house doesn't have electricity, we are using solar for now. So this is a prayer room. That's the lights coming. Now we have, this is the gym. After the prayer room, this is the gym. We are on that floor. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 sockets for the gym machines. So we have here a smoke, that's the light. We have a smoke sensor. We will install a smoke sensor here, so in case there is fire, it will alert. There will be an alarm. Okay, that's the light there. Then as we go down on this side, we will install a sensor that will sense when you go up the stairs. You don't have to switch, it will switch itself on. So we are going to the second floor now. We started from up. So here we're installing chandeliers. So this one bedroom, this one bedroom, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms there, and then there is this fifth bedroom. They are the same. That's why I'm showing you one. They are the same. So that's where we will install our. That is where we will install our wall brackets. And then this room here, you can get out to the balcony and watch people pass outside your compound. You can see from here, you can see outside your compound. So you can see neighbors as well. This, we are on the second floor. We have enough sockets in this room, so it can also be changed to a family room. So we are going to the master now. This is the master bedroom. The master bedroom here. So we have enough sockets, 1, 2 sockets there, 3 and 4. We have around 5 sockets here. So that is the bed switch and the alarm. So yeah, and that is the one wall bracket when you don't want a lot of light in the bedroom. So when you go to outside here, you also have a balcony at the back of the master bedroom, and you can see again your neighbors from up here, and you can also see the back of the whole compound from here. So this is the bathroom. We are going to install either a jacuzzi or a steam bath. Going to install one of them. The owner has not settled on which one he's going to install. So that's, again, we have the normal instant shower here, and then we have water from solar and normal water from the tap, so you can mix on your own. So it's a 3-in-1 bathroom. So this is a small. So we are going to the closet. So this is where the TV is. You can see 3 lamps up there. We are going to install warm white spotlights. They will be pointing at the bed, directly to the bed. They will be very beautiful. So we are going to close the closet. This is the closet here. the closet. We have sockets here, you can iron from here. So now we have finished second floor tour. Now we are going to the ground floor, and then the basement. So now we are down here. Now this is the ground floor. As you pass the corridor, it's automatic, it will switch itself on. So this is the toilet, or rather the washroom of the visitors. For the visitors, here it has a toilet and a bathroom as well. You can also freshen up here. So this door goes to the garage and to the basement. And then this is one bedroom for the visitors. That's the ground floor. It's also all the bedrooms in this house are en suite. So we are going to the sitting room now. So see, this is the main door. Get in. So this is where a TV is going to be mounted. Now we are going to mount the TV. We're going on with our gypsum. We have enough sockets in this sitting room, around seven sockets. So you can see gypsum work wonderfully done. So we have 4 gangs here. I'm going to show you how they operate. So the first gang switches off those corner lights. The second one switches those 2 lights. The third one switches those 3 lights there, you will see them like that. The fourth again, now is for the snake light, but we have not installed the snake light yet. Then we'll change these middle ones to the chandelier, and then these 2 lights at the center, since when somebody rings from the main gate and you don't hear the bell, these lights will go on. Yes, when you press the bell, these lights will go on, telling you that there is a visitor or someone is at the main entrance. So this is the dining room. We have very beautiful lights there, and I'm installing another one in the center, or rather at the center. And then this is the kitchen. We have a pantry there and a hood. So we have under sink here. Now I've installed this light, very beautifully done. So thank you for watching Etembe Electricals. Like and subscribe for my next videos. Thank you.